In this video, I am going to show you how to put a referral code in Cash App when signing up. First, go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Cash App, download it, and open the app once it is installed. The first step is to enter either your phone number or your email address. Cash App will send you a confirmation code. Enter that code to continue. Then you will be asked to create your unique hashtag, which is your username inside Cash App. During this process, you may see a box that says referral code or invite code. If you see it, simply type in the referral code you have and move forward. If you do not see the box, you can still enter the code later. To do this, once you reach the home screen, tap the profile icon at the top right, scroll down until you spot an option label Enter Referral Code, then tap Enter Referral Code and type it in. To actually earn the bonus, you must complete a couple of steps. In the United States, you need to link a debit card or bank account and then send at least $5 to another Cash App user within 14 days. In the United Kingdom, you need to verify your account, link a debit card, and send at least £5 within 14 days. Keep in mind, you must be a new user to qualify for the referral reward, and you should not remove your debit card or bank until the bonus is credited. You can always check the Invite Friends section to see the status of your reward and the current bonus amount. That is the process for entering a referral code when signing up for Cash App and making sure the bonus is applied. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.